Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk again the topic of UPSC Geology optional. So part 2. So the part 2 of the last time we have talked about that sex determination, right? So the last time we have talked about sex determination in Drosophila. So this is in your syllabus, right? Syllabus of genetics, paper 2. Okay, so this is your one of the topic of the paper 2 geology optional and man. So we have started this topic part wise part. Okay, as we have done the replication process in the part 1, 2, 3. So similar thing we will do in the sex determination process. So we have already talked about in the first section. There are mainly four types of sex determination, right? So we have started the first type, that is your chromosomal basis theory of the sex determination. So second was the genic balance theory, then the molecular base, then the gene theory, right? So in that chromosomal theory, we have already talked about that, like 2a plus xxx. Like here in that last class, we have talked about that Y chromosome does not have any sex determination factor, while the X chromosome have the sex determination factor. Remember, if you do not, just go and see that last lecture. So when we are saying that X chromosome has a sex determination factor, the second point was that either it is coming from the one parent or it is coming from the different parents, right. So in the last section we have already talked about that even the Y chromosome, this condition, right, when we match after the formation of the gamete, the one condition was this, है ना? So which type of sex or the gender would it be? So we have said that even the XY chromosome is actually coding for XY is chromosome is coding for the male, right? And XX chromosome is coding for the female. So in this scenario, the XX and XY both type of conditions are present. So what do you think, which gender it should be? So it should be the female, right? So that is the something we have talked about, that Y chromosome does not contain any sex determination factor, while the X chromosome contain the sex determination factor, and X chromosome determine the femaleness. Remember, so we have already talked about 2a plus xx scenario and 2a plus triple x scenario also, right? So you guys must have this thing that मेटा फीमेल एंड नॉर्मल मेल जो हम लोग ऑटोसोम और उसके बेसिस पे द नंबर ऑफ द रेशियो बिटवीन द ऑटोसोम्स एंड द एक्स सेक्स क्रोमोसोम, दैट इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट that we will going to talk about in the second genic balance theory, है ना? The balance between that autosomes and the sex x number of autosomes and the number of x chromosomes. So that would be the second. So there's a one thing in the sex autosomal chromosomal in the first type, it is that sex chromosome basis, सेक्स क्रोमोसोम बेसिस ऑफ सेक्स क्रोमोसोम बेसिस में आपका देयर आर अदर अनदर टाइप. तो हमने 2a plus xxx तो 2a plus xx वाली बात कर ली थी, we have already talked about. So here there again two things is the heterogrammatic male and heterogrammatic female. Okay, this is also one of the scenario in which we just see that if the gametes, heterogrammatic means homogrammatic, that means suppose that you need, if you want to understand this topic, we know that the basic sexual chromosomes thing in the human, right? So we know that XX in the human is coding for the male, right, sorry, female, and XY is coding for the male, we remember that. So in that human, we say that this is a homogrammatic, right? Because because human is diploid, right? So both of the chromosomes are the similar, so these are the homogrammatic, right? These are the homogrammatic and these are the different. So we can say here that this is the heterogrammatic, right? We can say this. So this is the similar thing, but this is a condition of the human, but not in all insects and other plants and so many things, because we are covering the chromosomal theory or the basis of the sex determination. So in that we have to cover the heterogrammatic male and the heterogrammatic female. Okay, so in that scenario there are two conditions in each. What are the two conditions here? The X and XO type, right? Here the second condition is XX and XY type. The similar thing is here, the Z Z Z O type, okay, and here the Z Z and the Z Y type. Sorry, it's not Y, it's W. Z W type. Okay. So if we are writing that, of course we want to know that in which it is found. Okay. So samne we will write the example also. So XN and XO type, it is found in the Drosophila. It is found in the Drosophila. Sorry, so my bad. Actually, the Drosophila is the second type. It is found in the grasshopper. It is found in the grasshopper. Mainly the hemipterans insect. Okay, so we can say here the first types ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं ना, the XXXO type, insects of hemipteran class, order hemipteran. Example is your grasshopper. Example is your grasshopper. Okay, the XX and XY type is in the example human and Drosophila, of course, and Drosophila. Okay, ZZ and ZO type, example in the butterfly. Example in the butterfly. Okay, and ZZ ZW type, example is in the gypsy moth. Example is in the gypsy. Okay, so these are the some example. We'll elaborate a little bit what it is type. So in that the XX and XO type first. So in that XO type, okay, what is in the XX and XO type? So this is the female because it is a condition of, okay, so this is a condition of heterogametic male, right? So in that the male will be the heterogametic and the female will be the homogametic. So that would be the female, got it? And that would be the male. Okay, so if we want to cross it and if we want to fertilize it, so the types of gamete 2A plus X. Acha, one more thing. Similarly, when like normally when we do not write about the autosomes, but here we are writing because sex determination, because the second type is your genic balance theory, we have to consider the autosomes also. So even if you are not writing it, but try to write it there because that's how you decide that this is a sex chromosomal type. Okay, here this is not playing the major role, while in the genic balance theory, the number of sorry, the number of autosomes is playing the very important or the major role. Okay, so which type, how many types of gamete will be forming here? A plus X, right? And here A plus X. Both are the similar gametes. Actually, you know what? This condition, the XO type, what is O here? O does not mean any specific type of chromosome. It simply means that male has the only X chromosome, only one chromosome. Even the total number of chromosome would be different. Okay, so it does means male has only one X chromosome, one X chromosome as its sex chromosome, as its sex chromosome. Okay, so male, suppose that if I'm saying that in the butterfly or in the grasshopper, the female will have the 40 number of chromosome. So male will have in that 40 number of chromosome, the 12 will be the autosomes and 2 will be the sex chromosome. But in the male, there will be the 13 number of chromosome. That means this. Okay, so that is the difference between XO and XY type. Okay, so in that male, the male will be have 13 number of chromosome, 12 will be the autosome, and there will be the only one X chromosome in the male. So that is the thing. Okay, so here we can say 2A plus XO. Okay, so that will be the forming A plus X. ठीक है, and A plus O. So if we do the fertilization or forming the offsprings, so there will be the different types of chromosome will be forming. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे आपका क्या बनेगा 2A प्लस एक्स एक्स, इसका आपने ऐसे कराया, फिर इसका ऐसे कराया तो क्या बनेगा 2A प्लस एक्स एक्स, गॉट इट. देन इसका आपने ऐसे कराया, देन 2A प्लस एक्स ओ, एंड हियर अगेन 2A प्लस एक्स, है ना. सो हियर वी आर फॉर्मिंग द फीमेल, फीमेल, then it's male and it's male. Got it? These type of, so in that during the gamete formation, okay, so this is your gamete formation. During the gamete formation, only here one X chromosome goes into that and the another does not have any specific sex chromosome. Okay, so in that we have covered the first type, we have covered the this type. What is the this type? What is this type? Here the similar thing is that as a human have that 2A plus XX, this is a male, sorry, this is a female, 2A plus XY, the gametes are A plus X because similar type, and here two types of gametes, A plus X, meiotic division, of course that we know, I don't think I need to tell this thing also, A plus Y, right? So if the fertilization will be occur here, so here the different types of gamete will be forming. If that will be homogametic, then it will be the forming female because it is a female here. The parent have, the female parent have the homogametic, while the male parent have the heterogametic, right? So that is a male. So but if we form this scenario, so that will be 2A plus XY. ठीक है, ये आपका मेल में, ये आपका ह्यूमंस में और ड्रोसोफिला में है. ओके, देन the third type is heterogametic female, right? So if you are saying Z and ZO type, so in that scenario this is your male, got it, and this is your female. The similar situation as when we were writing the XO, that means there are only one X chromosome in the as a sex chromosome in the male. Similar thing is there also, the female have only the one sex chromosome, that is the Z. The another is there is absence, like, okay, the number of chromosomes total can be the different also. So if we are saying that 2A plus ZZ, and that is your, just remember this point, do not forget, this is the male part now because we are covering the heterogametic, that is a female, got it. Okay, so this is a here female and this is here the male, okay, and the female part is, wait a minute, and the female part is 2A plus ZO. So here the gamete formation will be the one type only. So the gamete formation with the meiotic division A plus Z, and here A plus Z, this is the one type of gamete, and A plus O, right? This is the scenario. After the fertilization, the type of gamete will be the forming 2A plus ZZ, and here the 2A plus ZO. So that will be the male offsprings and that will be the female offspring. Got it? Okay. So the fourth type and the last type in the chromosomal theory or basis of the sex determination is a ZZ and ZW type. Right? So here again, because we are covering the heterogametic female, so this is your male and this is your female. Okay, so 2A plus ZZ, the parents, and the 2A plus ZW, similar as the XY. So in that, what is the difference between the XO and XY? So in that XY, the Y is a type of chromosome. Here is not absence of chromosome, such as in human. In human, we talk about the 46th number of chromosome. So in that 46th number of chromosome, the 22 pairs of autosomes and the 23rd pair is the different in the female and the male. In the female, it is XX, and in the male, it is XY. But the total number of count is 46 only, right? There is not the 46 and the 45, unlike in your Z, O or X, O type. So do not get confused there. So here two different types of gamete will be the forming. What two different? Here two similar type of course, because this is your male, right? So this is a male and this is a female. है ना? In which it is found, it is a there is plant name, I think Phrygia elateria, something like that. And otherwise it is found in that animals, it is a gypsy moth, because of course we are covering the zoology portion, so basically we need to remember, such as in XX exotype, it is also found in the Vallisneria. Vallisneria is your one of the aquatic plant, right? Hydra Vallisneria, like that. So in that, but we need to remember mainly about the animal portion, so it is in the gypsy moth. Okay, so this is a one type of gamete, A plus Z. Here two types of gamete, A plus Z and A plus W. W is similar, like different types of chromosome. So here 2A plus ZZ, and here 2A plus ZW. So what it will be? It will be the male, है ना, and it will be the female. So these are some complementary things for the 6 chromosomal determination, from the chromosomal basis theory or the chromosomal theory of the sex determination. So here we have completed the chromosomal basis theory of the sex determination. In the next, this is your part 2. Part 1 we have already covered the homogametic and everything. Of course, this is the gamete formation with the meiotic process and all. We'll cover a little bit in the developmental biology topic, some topic if I want to cover that. Otherwise, you guys can tell me. Other than that, in the next class, we will cover the genic balance theory of the sex determination. Thank you, everyone.